This video will give you an overview of how to replace the number 4 belt over chain conveyor on a standard L4000 G4 new leader crop nutrient applicator. This will also work for a straight chain conveyor. Turn off the spinners by unplugging the PWM spinner valve harness. Remove the upper spinner guard, material divider, and hillside divider assembly. Run the conveyor slowly until the belt splice is positioned at the rear. Loosen the conveyor adjusting screws. Caution, do not completely loosen the adjusting screws. This can cause the sprockets to contact the front floor panel. Pull all available conveyor slack to the rear. Remove the chain connecting cotter pins. Using locking pliers, rotate the belt splice connecting pin. Using a grinder with a cutoff wheel, cut off one end of the belt splice connecting pin. Now connect the locking pliers to the opposite end of the splice connecting pin and remove the pin. Remove the conveyor chain connecting pins. This procedure will use the old conveyor to pull in the new conveyor. To match the chain links between the old conveyor and the new conveyor must be unrolled, then re-rolled from the opposite end. Position the new conveyor on one side, carefully unroll the new conveyor, and re-roll the conveyor beginning from the opposite end. Using a fork truck, position the new conveyor on the forks. Raise the new conveyor to the height of the old conveyor. Carefully fasten the new conveyor chain to the old conveyor chain using new connecting pins. Align the new belt splice with the old belt splice and connect the splices together using a new belt splice connecting pin. Lower the conveyor to the ground and place into position. Position the forklift off to one side so that one fork guides the old conveyor out of the spreader, while the other fork guides the new conveyor into the spreader. Bolt the conveyor guide weldments, part numbers 312250 and 312251 to the sills. To assist with guiding the old conveyor out and over the open fork, connect a chain to the old conveyor. Engage the hydraulics and the controller. Very slowly operate the conveyor to pull out the old conveyor while also pulling in the new conveyor. For safety reasons, someone should always be stationed at the conveyor switch. When the new conveyor is nearly unrolled, stop the process. To prevent the new conveyor from jamming, make sure the end of the new conveyor is completely unrolled before proceeding. Continue with the installation until the belt splice is centered within the sill cutout. Stop the conveyor and remove the installation brackets. Remove the belt splice connecting pin, then the chain connector pins. Caution, keep clear. The old conveyor may fall to the ground. Align the new conveyor chain links and install new connector pins and new cotter pins. Align the belt splice and insert the new belt splice connecting pin. Using locking pliers, bend the end of the splice connecting pin. Cut off the end of the slice connecting pin, leaving approximately 3/4 of an inch. Using the locking pliers, roll the belt splice connecting pin under the belt. Tighten the adjustment screws until the conveyor is tensioned properly. Then tighten the adjusting screw lock nuts. Lube the conveyor while running the conveyor for several revolutions. Install the hillside divider, material divider, and upper spinner guard. Refer to other videos concerning proper hillside divider and material divider installation. Reconnect the PWM spinner valve harness. For more